guys, welcome back to Canada's Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and you might notice a little difference. The panel's flipped around now, and the batteries are in a new place, but there's a little bit more differences to come. So, this will be system test number 51. So, we have the Potter PFC 6006 looking nice. We have wires obviously coming this way from out of the panel. This is the only part of the system I don't like, really. So we have my Pyrotronics MH51, something like that, I don't know. It's the Halon release pull station. And it's now single action. And the dual action part is over by my popcorn. It's right here. So, yeah. That's pretty fun. So, we have this pull station. You have our junction box. The wires are a little neater now. I have my integrity chime, but this time it has no marking on it. So, you're probably wondering what the next device is. And the next device I was going to do an unboxing for, but then I didn't. Well, I actually filmed it, but then it was vertical, and I can't really fake an unboxing. The i3 is no longer on the ceiling. It's on the wall now, right above my bed, kind of a little closer to the panel, so if something happens with the panel, it'll detect it. And this is probably a device that you guys have never seen or seen only a couple times. Well, especially with the marking. The marking's kind of custom. Yes, we have an Integrity mini horn with a blue strobe with the emergency lettering that is from there it is, the Integrity strobe down there. So yeah, it's in white, and yeah, I really like the look of this. I was going to put an Integrity strobe there, but I didn't want to. So, yeah. So, this is, I'm happy I have this. And it does sound a little different from the regular Integrity mini horn. It's a little higher pitched. So, anyway, without further ado, let's test the system. This will be a really cool test. I hope you guys like it. Let's reset. Let's check the model number. MH501. So close. Alright, so now we're going to go test the smoke detector out in the hallway. God, I really love this setup. If only I could just keep setup for a long time. I think I might do a fire drill with that. I don't know. So, we got our magnet. So, let's magnet test this one. I love the blue strobe too. And they sync up, which is strange because that's not enhanced, and I don't think that's enhanced either. Alright, so this is the entire system. So yeah, I rewired it. It looks a lot better here and here. So yeah, I think that's everything I had to show. thank you guys so much for watching, enjoying the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.